Okay guys, so we're going to make some cocoa tea today, and these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our cocoa tea. So we're going to use what is called cocoa balls. So here I have 2 cocoa balls. I have some vanilla essence, some sugar to taste, some nutmeg, about a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 bay leaf, and some cinnamon sticks. And of course, we're also going to add some milk. Now, there are different variations of this in terms of if you would like to add condensed milk, you can do that. In that case, you would not add any sugar because condensed milk is sweet already. So it's your option. If you do add the condensed milk, of course, it will give you that creamy texture as well as the sweetening aspect to your cocoa tea. But in my case, I'm just going to use I'm actually using some lactose-free milk, and I'm going to use some sugar to taste. So for the 2 cocoa balls, I'm going to use 4 cups of water. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil my cocoa balls with my bay leaf and my cinnamon. I'm going to boil that until the cocoa balls dissolve. And then after that, I'm going to add in my milk, my essence, my sugar, my nutmeg, and I'm going to boil it for a further couple minutes. So let's head over to the stove. Okay, so we're going to add our cocoa balls to our boiling water. Now, if I was just going to use 1 cocoa ball, I would use 2 cups of water. But as I'm using 2 cocoa balls, I'm going to use 4 cups of water. I'm now going to add in my bay leaf. I'm going to add in my cinnamon sticks, and I'm going to leave that to boil for a few minutes until, of course, the cocoa balls melt, which will happen very quickly. But I will continue boiling for about, say, 4 minutes in order to infuse that the water with the bay leaf and the cinnamon. So we will just continue boiling for about 4 minutes. Okay, so I left it to boil for about 4 minutes because I really wanted to get the flavor infused with the bay leaf and the cinnamon. So at this point, I'm going to add some vanilla essence, about a teaspoon of that. I'm going to add some sugar to taste, and I'm going to add my nutmeg, and of course my milk. And I'm going to leave this to boil for another 2 minutes or so. So let's just give this a stir. Alright, so let's leave that to boil for a couple minutes. Okay guys, so our cocoa tea is now completed. What you will do now is simply adjust the taste to your liking. So whether if it is that you want to add more sugar or if you want to use condensed milk, you can do that. But basically, that's how you make cocoa tea. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and I would love to hear from you guys. So leave some comments below and let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.